For today's story, we are discussing one woman who is not very happy about the whole Mar-a-Lago thing. She has some problems with the way that it's being handled. She says, quote, this is her speaking, not me, quote, I've already ordered snipers and a bomb. Texas woman allegedly claiming to be Evelyn Salt charged over disjointed and bizarre voicemails left for the judge. She left the judge voicemails saying she ordered snipers and bombs. Yeah, it's not going great. A Texas woman was recently arrested for allegedly making death threats against the judge overseeing the courtroom battle between President Donald Trump and the U.S. Department of Justice. Tiffany Gish from Houston stands accused of one count of interfering with a federal official by threat and interstate communications with threat to kidnap or injure because of the voicemails she left on the U.S. District Judge's court chamber telephone. I think the evidence against her is probably pretty good. Yeah. According to the 6-page federal criminal complaint against her, the voicemails in question were left September the 1st and specifically sent to the supervisory deputy U.S. Marshal, but addressed to the Trump-appointed jurist. She sent them to the U.S. Marshals. Maybe not the greatest thing in the bunch. The court document offers transcripts of the voicemails. Oh joy, let us read the voicemails. In the first message, Gish allegedly said, "Hi, yes, this message is for Aline Cannon. This is Evelyn Salt. I'm in charge of nuclear for the U.S. state government. Again, Donald Trump has been disqualified long ago, and he's marked for assassination. You're helping him, ma'am. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to let you disarm fucking live nukes off your coffee table. How about you sit on an electric chair a couple times over? You think you've got the magical ability to pop up from the dead, pretending you're on the team of justice? Again, I told you he's disqualified. He's marked for assassination, and so are you, you stupid biatch. Stand the fuck down or get shot, and guess what? I'm also Trump's hitman, so consider it a bullet from your head from Donald Trump himself." I'm sensing some potential aggression issues. I'm sensing some things that seem like some threats. Yeah. She called herself Evelyn Salt, which is the name of the character from the 2010 Angelina Jolie movie, Salt, in which the actress plays a CIA agent. Okie dokie. In 2 additional voicemails, the defendant allegedly refers to herself as Salt and a federal fucking agent who levels a series of expletive-laden additional threats against the Southern Florida judge. Quote, "My authority exceeds the President of the United States." Okay. "And what you're trying to pull is obstruction of justice, as this motherfucker is responsible for 9/11, the message says. I'm going to fucking have you shot myself. I've already ordered snipers and a bomb to your fucking house." Joyce. In a third message, the defendant allegedly threatens to grab her license to kill and take her ass to fucking Florida. Quote, "I'm going to personally throw a bullet to your fucking head in front of your kids," the third message goes. "You stand the fuck down." Okay, kids. Let's just discuss some things. I don't know that I need to say this, but let me just say this anyway. Don't threaten a federal judge. Don't threaten the federal judge by calling the U.S. Marshals. Don't threaten a federal judge by calling the U.S. Marshals by recording a voicemail. Don't call them 3 times. Don't say that you have snipers and bombs. This is bad. Yeah, it's going great. According to the criminal complaint against Gish, Gish was identified by recent Facebook posts, social media, I swear, in which she allegedly mirrored several of the key concepts and language of her voicemails and her cellular phone number. Social media, man. The number of people that get busted, man. Yeah. The complaint also alleges the Secret Service was aware of comments and threats Gish has made towards Trump. During a roughly 45-minute-long interview with federal agents, part of which was conducted from her balcony while agents stood at the street outside, it must be a sight to see. This is the most bizarre federal agent interview ever. Oh, Romeo, Romeo, wherefore art my Romeo? Wherein the Romeo is the federal agents asking questions as you talk to them from your balcony. Okay. Gish admitted to making the threatening statements and subsequently was arrested. According to NBC News, Gish's mother told the federal agents that her daughter is diagnosed with severe bipolar disorder. No, you don't say. The court understands defense counsel's argument that Gish has not carried out the threats, but the court considers the threats themselves to be harmful. I mean, they're pretty threatening. I think we're into true threats category, guys. I think we're into interference with a federal official by use of threats, interstate commerce, all the rest of it. Yeah. Thus, this ends the story of a woman who has self-control problems, but not a problem because someone else will be able to control her for a couple years now because, yeah, she left voicemails in her voice. She confessed. She made true threats. It's going great. Yeah. So, all those things. So, at least for the moment, that brings us to the end of discussion of this case.